Did you know that parrots are not just colorful, but also incredibly smart? These birds can mimic human speech and sounds. They have a unique ability to learn new words and phrases from their environment. Parrots use their strong beaks for cracking nuts and seeds open. Their vibrant feathers come in various colors, like red, yellow, blue, and green. Some species of parrots live over 50 years, making them lifelong companions. So next time you see a parrot, remember, they're more than just pretty faces. They're amazing creatures with incredible skills.